Test run. First shot out of the rebuild. Watch out, Harley.
Pretty accurate though.
It is, right?
Shoot the Tide can, the orange one.
The orange one? Where? All right. It's like Home Alone. Whoa. Wow, I hit that little fucking can. You saw that?
Yeah. I said I'm gonna go get me a bag, and I was like, I know you're gonna fucking smoke, dude. It's like, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna get you fucking smoke. So me and my buddy fucking load up my gun, dressed in all black, fucking, and we knew he stopped on the bridge, so I went down the storage unit, so I went by the bridge. He turns it off, and we see the lighter going, so I'm just like, that black kid ran across the bridge and top screaming, going, ah! So when they came through the trail, I just fucking popped out in front of them and started shooting them. Get back to my house, we have all on chain. He's like, dude, they called me. He's like, what happened to us? Blah, blah, blah. He's like, some fucking black dude went across the bridge, dude, fucking shot me.
Ooh, you feel that wood getting hit?
That thing's getting hard.
You want to shoot me with it?
No.
Here, shoot me with it. No, I just want to get shot with it. I want to feel what it's like. One fucking shot, asshole.
Obviously.
If you hit me with the red dot, you should be alright. Hold on.
No, I'm gonna shoot you 20,000 times.
I will fight you.
I'm just kidding. Ready?
Yeah. Woo! Give me another one.
Or yeah.
Woo!
Do you want more?
Yeah. Ooh, that was a good one, right in the gut. I haven't got shot by paintball in a while.
Where'd the other one hit you?